welcome to my YouTube channel Xamarin UI Design. The thing is that I will not create a new video for Xamarin, but I will create videos for the .NET MAUI. The one of the reason is that there was an issue in my laptop, and so I formatted my laptop and I installed Visual Studio 2019 and 2000 and 2022. But I found that in 2019 the Xamarin is out of support. Okay, so it is not supporting, it is not allowing me to create a new project, or not able to allow to work on old project. So you can see that it is out of support. Okay, so if I try to create a new project, it is not creating a main project here. You can see it is only creating a Android and iOS project. It is not creating main project. But in old project the same thing is happening here. This is my old project. uh, it is not loading a main project. It is loading a Android and iOS project but not loading a main project. So the thing is that this the cases is the reason that I will not create a video for the Xamarin. And the another thing, in if you read in the Xamarin support uh, article, you will see that it will end the support on May 21, 2022, and the last version will be Android 13 and the 14 SDK. Okay, if you are learning, then it will be good, but uh, thing is that uh, if you are developer and it is long time project, then it will affect these things. So start working on .NET MAUI. So .NET MAUI is next version of Xamarin. Only difference is that uh, means it has similar controls and all these things. We will learn .NET MAUI. So don't worry, if you know the Xamarin, then you can learn the .NET MAUI very easily. It is very easy if you know the Xamarin. Okay, so you don't have to take any tension that you have to learn new things in .NET MAUI. No, the Xamarin and .NET MAUI are the codings are the same, only little bit difference are there. So we will learn. And I will show you some uh, basic thing of .NET MAUI, that when we create a .NET MAUI project. Okay, so .NET MAUI first of all is in 2022, Visual Studio 2022. Okay, and it framework is framework starting from .NET 7. Okay, and another thing is it has only one project. Okay, and here resources is available. So you have to add only one resources here. This is the best part. And here is a platform. In the Xamarin you have to write a platform code in another projects, but it you can write here in same project. So you can see here is a main activity, and in iOS there is app delegate. So .NET MAUI as big .NET MAUI is come with very easy method. Okay, and the one of the main advantage is that the thing was that uh, when you build a project, it will take a lots of space in your PC, but this will not happen. It will take a less space, and it will and it's when you install, it will take a less GB, less than Xamarin. Okay, so in from the next video we will start learning from the learning a .NET MAUI. So don't take tension that we have learned, it will close, and what will happen. If you know Xamarin, then .NET MAUI is very easy, and it is same as Xamarin. Okay, you can think that is the next version of the Xamarin. Okay, uh, so I am leaving now, and we will meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.